I would now like to request Mr. Boni Kapoor, the director of Sahara Motion Pictures, to please come up here and say a few words, please.
Good afternoon, everybody. Sabaz spoke of the good-looking team behind this film. Dia spoke about the best partner she could think of, that is Sahara Motion Pictures. I'm here representing Sahara Motion Pictures. Basically, Sahara Shri, our chairman, Mr. Subrat Roy, has always encouraged good work. He has a vision that newcomers should be given a chance. In this case, a new team of producers who have put together a wonderful team around them, and they've made this particular film with a lot of passion. And I'm sure, after seeing the film, I was not at all disappointed. In fact, I was very happy. After the film releases, I'm sure everybody would feel as happy as I felt after seeing the film. It is a film of today's generation. It deals with issues, rather relationships which at times cannot be understood easily by today's youth. The entire subject of relationship has been handled very well by this first-time director, Salil Sanga. The actors, Zahid Khan and Dia, both of them have put up wonderful performance. In fact, it was almost a revelation because I've seen a few films of Zahid and I've never been impressed with him as much as I was seeing this film. And Dia, of course, she's done a lot of films, but for the first time, this particular film will be a showcase to her talent. She's come across as a beautiful girl, she's come across as a regular heroine. But in this film, she's much more than that. They would need your good wishes, they would need your blessings. I hope you enjoy all what you see tonight, or rather this afternoon. Thank you.
I'd now like to introduce Mr. Zahid Khan, my partner, my friend, my colleague, the love of my life, Zahid Khan.
Wow, what an emotional day for all of us, really, and what a long journey it has been. Needless to say that my partners, Dia and Sahil, just like she said, we are pillars of strength for her. They are the world to me. They are my heart and soul, and I'm so happy to have met these wonderful, beautiful people, and I'm so happy to partner them in this venture called Born Free. Today is a very special day for all of us at Born Free Entertainment, as we stand before you with a sneak peek into our first production, Love, Breakups, Zindagi. I would like to thank Sahara Motion Pictures and Mr. Boni Kapoor and of course Mr. Subrat Roy for their unconditional support through this fascinating journey called Love, Breakups, Zindagi. The principal ideology of Born Free Entertainment is to encourage freedom of thought and expression. We pride ourselves in being a young setup that aspires to cultivate genuine spirit of all those who become part of our Born Free family. I say this with confidence that during the course of making Love, Breakups, Zindagi, we have succeeded in doing so, and every moment of the process has been one to cherish and remember fondly. I truly hope that in whatever endeavor, whatever profession anybody in this entire world does, they're truly born free and spirited enough to go achieve all the dreams they want. I'm now going to call my lovely, most gorgeous partner, Dia. Dia.
Thank you, Zahid. No work, no dream, no aspiration can be fulfilled without love and support. And I think as an industry, as people who are a part of this big family, we've always stepped up and helped each other.
I think most actors and most people get that question is, what is success to you? Wow. You know, there's so many ways of looking at that, but truly what success is to us is getting the respect and the love from your peers. And I'd like to thank all my colleagues right there and my peers who have so affectionately lent themselves to our dream and to a feeling that was probably inside of them, which we just poured out, and to truly supporting us in our new venture and our endeavors. And I tell you that this is what Bollywood is mostly about. This is what our family is about. We help each other, and we do things that that probably become a revelation in life, and people, you know, hearts are touched by that. So I want to thank all my colleagues again, and I just recently spotted Ritesh. Love you too, brother, and Ashish. All right, so now I would like to call upon literally the spearhead, the guy with the brains, the bronze, the style, the panache. I wish I could write like him. I wish I had the talent. But this guy is truly special. His name is Sahil Sanga, my little brother. Please come up on stage.
Thank you so much everyone for being here with us today. It is truly a very special day in the lives of love, breakups, zindagi. You know, when we set out to make this film, all we really wanted to do was tell a story that came straight from the heart. Now the heart's a tricky thing because, you know, it says a lot of things all of the time, but it's usually good things, and when every single desire comes together, then you get love, breakups, zindagi, which would have been impossible without the stellar effort of a truly standout team. All of this eventually then speaks of what is a cohesive team effort. It encompasses what is the true making of a film, the true behind-the-scenes magic, the way it happens, and how it binds all of us together towards our one common goal.
People who are the same wavelength is something was really special. And you know, when there are people of similar tastes and mindset, then everything comes in place. Music just, you know, it just gets better and better and better. And that's what happened with Love Breakups Zindagi. I think some of our best work in 2011 is going to be for Love Breakups Zindagi. That's for sure. When we started working on the movie, we had very little time because they were filming after maybe 23 days or something, and we had to come up with 4 songs in 23 days, which was really difficult. But I followed this. Someone, Peter Jackson, had said once that pain is temporary and film is forever. I knew that this is going to be a special soundtrack, and trust me, it is.